It's Tail Light Tuesday. Check out our 98 through 02 Firebird Trans Am LED tail light combo kit. The LED bulbs for the tail lights are red, which makes them look a lot better. This is with pressing the brake when the headlights are off. This is how they look when you turn your headlights on. And then pressing the brake. Check them out. We also have the LED taillight combo kit available for Camaros. For this product and more, visit us at 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐳.com. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Y'all have a great day.